Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will explain how to make YouTube Shorts, a full guide to help you create engaging vertical content. First, let's talk about planning. It's crucial to define your video's core message and who you want to reach. Think about trending topics or a unique angle that will make your content stand out. Remember to script your video to fit within the 60-second time limit, and always prepare a strong hook to grab viewers' attention in the first few seconds. This initial planning saves a lot of time later on. Now, let's move on to filming and editing. When shooting, always hold your phone vertically to achieve the 9:16 aspect ratio, which is perfect for shorts. Ensure your video is under 60 seconds. This is a key requirement for the format. Focus on creating engaging visuals and clear audio to give your short a professional feel. When editing, aim for fast pacing, cutting out any unnecessary pauses or filler words to keep your audience hooked from start to finish. Every second counts. Next, let's enhance your short with audio and text. It's super important to select music directly from the YouTube audio library to avoid any copyright issues. Adding on-screen text is a fantastic way to highlight key points and keep your viewers engaged, especially if they're watching without sound. Make sure your text is easily readable and appears at just the right moments. Also, consider using captions. They significantly improve accessibility and help you reach a much wider audience. Finally, let's talk about uploading and optimizing your YouTube short. Once your video is polished, upload it directly through the YouTube app. To help people find your content, include relevant keywords in both your title and description. While shorts often play automatically, a compelling thumbnail can still attract more clicks from the shorts shelf. Don't forget to promote your new short across your other social media platforms to maximize its reach and get more eyes on your amazing content.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.